For this lesson, we are going to head into the Phone app here on the iPhone. The Contacts tab here is essentially the Contacts app within the Phone app. We can move back to see all our lists. And when a contact is selected, it can be edited. We can also add new lists and new contacts from within the Phone app. When viewing a contact, we can tap the phone icon or directly on a number to begin a call, or tap an email address, and we jump out to the Mail app, just as would happen from the Contacts app. Tap on an address, and as you should expect, we head to Maps. Scroll to the bottom of a contact on the iPhone, and notice we have an Add to Favorites button. So let's add Jeff as a favorite. When I contact him, it's most often via a phone call, so I'm going to select his iPhone number as the favorite. There are two view modes here in the Phone app, Unified and Classic. While in Unified View, favorites will appear as icons at the top of the Calls tab. When we switch to the Classic View, Favorites gets its own tab. Any saved favorites will be listed here, so I can now just do a single tap to call Jeff's iPhone, rather than needing to find Jeff's contact card and locating the number there. We can also add an email address or a number to send a message to as favorites. When tapped, it will then open the Mail or Messages app. It seems odd to me to come into the Phone app to send an email or message, though. So I only add phone numbers here. It can serve as a custom speed dial list. When in the Unified View, which removes the Favorites tab, we can tap and hold on a favorite here in the Calls tab to remove it. When a number is favorited, you will see a star next to it in Contacts. The Phone app is also available on iPad. It displays favorites as icons above the recent calls list. Making or receiving calls on iPad will need to use your iPhone as a relay.